is 356. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft has parked at the gate and the captain has turned the seatbelt sign off. Please be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. You may receive an email from Delta asking you to share your experience with us. We value your feedback and use your responses to continually improve your travel experience. We invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your Sky Miles account. As you deploy, please remember to take a look around your seat and make sure you have everything you brought on board. We know your time is important and Delta is committed to being America's #1 on-time airline. On behalf of Delta and this Atlanta-based crew, we've enjoyed having you on board and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a wonderful day.